Watch this.
Hey y'all, it's Nomad Fad, and today we are doing another unofficial unboxing. Today it is Tiffany's T Wire Bracelet. So let's get right into it. Tiffany, beautiful, little blue box company, founded in 1837, 140 something years old, give or take. I'm not a big fan of them. I don't like a lot of their pieces, but I got their Tiffany T Wire bracelet, so let's run down a couple specs. I got both. This is from their T collection. So this is the Tiffany T Wire. I believe this is the narrow. So there's a Tiffany T Wire regular, there's a Tiffany T Wire narrow, and then there is a Tiffany T Wire square, which is this like really thick bracelet. So this is the gold. I call it yellow gold, but on the website it just says gold, 18 karat gold. This is what I thought was going to be sterling silver before I bought it. This is white gold. These are both in the size medium. A size small fits a wrist of 5.75 inches circumference. This goes up to 6.25 inches, and the large goes up to 6.75 inches. As far as sizing, I probably could have fit a small, but it would have been a little snug. It would have been like stuck up here or something like that. So this is the medium. It fits me quite well. The large would have been way too big. Probably would have, been something I could slide right on and off. You don't really want to do that with more expensive pieces. So as far as the bracelet, I am wearing one. You see, very simple. Tends to get eaten up by other pieces when you wear them. But as far as the inside, very difficult to see. Well, on the inside it says T & Co. AU 750 Italy. That talks to the quality of the gold, things of that nature. The same thing is on this one. Let's get into pricing. Once again, I'm not sure if this is the T Wire narrow or the T Wire regular. I'm pretty sure it's the narrow, because knowing me, I went for the cheaper one. The narrow is $14.50. The regular is $1,900. The square is $5,200. Too pricey to be that ugly. So basically, the T collection just has a bunch of earrings and other bracelets, and not necessarily ones that all go with this. I would have thought, like, my thought process was that everything in the collection would go with each other, and that's not true at all. They have a bunch of hearts and pearls and weird things that would never go with this bracelet. This is the only thing I like in the collection. This is basically the only thing I like from Tiffany, period. But they have a lot of different variations of this bracelet. One being a version where the T's are covered in diamonds, that is around 4K. One that has diamonds and oysters, that one is called the Mother of Pearl. That one is 3K. But that one, it's diamonds on one T, and then it looks like enamel on the inside, but it's these oysters. It looks like a marbly feel on this side. It's okay. And then they have another one, which is straight enamel on both of these T's. Not sure how much that one costs. So I have two, like I said, the yellow gold and the white gold. One was ordered online, one was gotten in store, yada yada, same price, no price difference there. Came in this cute little textbook Tiffany box bag. Standard Tiffany box. I lost it, but inside would be another black box with like the velvet, and then out comes this. But once again, just this box. This cute little baggie that I use for travel. The other one is somewhere around here. I thought I would have gotten like a cleaning cloth. I don't know if I misplaced both of them, but didn't get them. I would basically use like the same type of cloth you would use to clean glasses. Let's get straight into pros and cons, shall we? Pros: great for stacking. All my ladies who are into the fine jewelry know what this is about. So stacking, for those of you that don't know, is when you take, you know, different fine jewelry from different brands and you put them all on top of each other, creating a stack. The bigger your stack, the larger and longer your stack, the more fly you are. You have stacks on both arms, you are just winning, baby. I keep it really simple. I wear this Cartier every day. If I still want to keep it simple, I will add this to it. This, if you're noticing the difference in colors, this is Cartier's pink gold, aka rose gold. It looks bronze to me, which is why I like it. But basically, I would wear Cartier's yellow gold love bracelet with this, just to complement the yellow gold on this T wire. And then if you have a gold watch, or I don't know if you're into Hermes, their Click H bracelet, like things like that, you'd create a little stack. You're fabulous wherever you go. As you can see, I mix tones. But basically, you would do the same thing with silver. Just add whatever brands you like, stack them up in your wrist, and you're good to go. It's basically only good for stacking, if you ask me. For the price point, it seems expensive. Yes, it's over $1,000. This is only 18 karat gold. As far as I've seen, they don't have any 24 karat gold options for the T Wire bracelet. Maybe in the larger ones they might, but honestly, I still doubt it. Yeah, let's move straight into cons. Stacking, once again. As you can see, these bracelets get eaten up. Usually, for a nice clean stack, you want everything to lie parallel to each other, nothing really going over top one another. But as soon as I flip, you know, it goes around the Cartier, it looks all gross. This is the type of bracelet you would wear with a watch in between just to hold it in place. It's quote unquote adjustable, so you would be able to squeeze it down and make it tighter. That also happens to be another con, right? Because this doesn't have any latches or screws or joints of any sort. You just have to straight up pull it open. I feel like this would decrease the life of it, because constantly, every day if you wear it, let's say you don't take it off, let's say you do take it on and off, constantly having to open it and close it is gonna wear on this so ridiculously. Like, I don't care what anybody says about, oh, Tiffany has great quality. Once you break this, like, forget all their repairs and their little cute little customer service guarantees and things like that. You will have to buy another one. I don't know about you, but $14.50, I don't want to buy another one anytime soon. So that's a con there. I guess a pro and a con could also be it's so simple. Pro, it's simple, it can go with virtually anything. Con, it's a little bit too simple. I guess you can call it a pro and say for the price point, this is cheaper compared to, like I said, an Hermes bracelet, which coincidentally is only gold plated and made out of enamel. This is, honestly, they didn't say on the website if it was solid or not, but I doubt it. The stretching mechanism makes me think that this is low-key just plated, and that if I scratch it enough, I will start to see what's really under it. At the same time, it is cheaper than a love bracelet, coming in at about 6 times the price. An Hermes bracelet, I believe at least 3 times the price. Don't quote me on that one. This gets really loose over time. I haven't really gotten much wear out of the silver one, and I honestly wear the gold one more. This gets very loose. Like, you see the way it's hanging, I will constantly have to go and squeeze it like this, and somehow it'll still find a way to be loose over time. Not a big fan of that. I don't know if it's just me, but for 18 karat gold only, I think that this is a little high. I don't know, maybe I'm cheap. I don't know, maybe I'm a little too frugal. All you ladies that got it like that, proud of you. Buy as many as you want, you know what I mean? It's definitely up to the buyer is what I'll say. This is cute. I like wearing it. I feel like it's only worth wearing when you're in circles of people who know, you know, Tiffany. They're aware of the bracelet and its history. Tiffany has a name that supersedes itself, like we said, over 140 years of service. yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that might be the end of this video. This is the Tiffany T Wire review. Tell me what you guys think. Like and comment. Subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Ask me any questions that you have about the bracelet. I'll be more than happy to tell you, more of my feelings on it. And let me know what you guys want to see next, right? So, if you guys get tired of jewelry, I'll stop doing it. If you guys like it, why not, right? Until next time, guys. Bye!